crisper drawer freezing your veggies? Produce can be picky about humidity levels. Here's how to get it right for each type. For leafy vegetables, set the humidity to high or store them in the drawer without humidity control to maintain maximum moisture. For non-leafy vegetables and fruits with skin, set the humidity to low. Always rinse and dry produce before storing. And wrap any foods with strong odors or moisture content. Note that freezing can also occur if your refrigerator hasn't been used for some time. Once you start using it more, the issue should resolve itself. If not, try increasing the humidity slightly. Bonus tip: the Frigidaire Pure Air Freshness Booster removes ethylene from the crisper to keep produce fresher even longer. Now you know how to keep your veggies fresh. That should do it.